Welcome to another video in the Resolve introductory video series. This video will demonstrate how you can make a RESTful API call using the Resolve Actions Pro automation platform and process the response to extract the needed data so that you can use it elsewhere in your automation. And I'm going to show you two methods in this video. The first method will use the no code option with built-in action tasks and Resolve actions without writing any code whatsoever. And the second method will demonstrate how to simplify and consolidate it all into a single and highly reusable action task. Resolve Actions has a built-in wizard to help you build new action tasks to make a RESTful API call to any third-party tool or service. So let's just get straight into it. I found a free API called the Open Brewery DB, and it's a good API for demo purposes. I want to get the details of a single brewery, so I'm just going to copy this get URL. The documentation here also shows a sample response too, which is really handy. For this demo, I actually want to get the street address, city, and state. In Resolve's Automation Designer, I've already created a new automation, so I can just drag in a new task and click on the button to create a new action task. After specifying the name and description for my new action task, I select the Make a RESTful API Call template. Now I just simply paste in the URL and click on the Create button. First part done. I now need to use the JSON to map action task to convert the API's JSON response into a map with key value pairs. The JSON input parameter defaults to the response body variable from the API call, and I can now just leave the output as the default myCollection variable. Now that it's a map, to extract a value from that JSON response, I use the getItemFromMap action task and specify the name of the key I want to extract. Remember, I want to extract the street address from the response, so I need to enter in street as the key. This time, I want to set the output parameter as a temporary variable called Brewery Street. I have to repeat this same process for the other values I want to extract, such as the city and state. Finally, I'm going to add a comment task at the end to bring all these individual values together. Let's now save this automation, click the Execute button, and switch over to this automation's worksheet. The worksheet has a line-by-line summary for each action task from our automation. You can see the main API call here. Clicking on this row expands it to show the detail, such as the response code, response headers, and of course the response body. The next action task in our automation converted the JSON response to a map, and then we can start extracting our required data, such as a street address, city, and state. Finally, the comment action task brings these three values together. Now, what's really important here is that there's no proprietary scripting language or any other specifics you need to learn in order to accomplish this pretty easy task. Now that you've seen how to use Resolve Actions to make a RESTful API call, process a response, and extract specific data, let's evolve this a little further. Now, one of the big concepts in Resolve Actions is to make your automations simpler and your development effort more efficient now and into the future. You've just seen the no-code method to make an API call and process a response, but there is a more efficient way with a little bit of coding, and this will consolidate all these 5 action tasks into a single action task, so that if you ever need to make the same API call again, you've already got the pre-built action task in your repository that will do it and output the needed data, all together in a single action task. I'm going to open up the main get a specific brewery action task, and we can see further of what it's made up of. For more detailed information on action tasks, please also watch the Introduction to Action Tasks video. The wizard we used right at the beginning of this video has generated this action task for us, but we can further customize all of its parts to suit our own requirements. I want this action task to output the street address, city, and state, all without requiring those extra action tasks. This will make it much easier for when I need to use this action task again. Using the assessor, I can review the code that processes the API response. Now, this is in GrubyScript, and you can also use Python. It's just a case of removing these commented out lines here so I can add the required JSON key names to output those specific values as shown here. I'll save this action task as a new version because there is version control in case we ever want to roll back our changes, and remove all these other action tasks that are now no longer needed in our automation and rerun the automation again. This time in the worksheet we see just two main rows. We have the API call and then the comment action task that shows the three values that has been extracted using the first action task. Again, this method shows you how to further customize an action task with just a few lines of code to simplify and consolidate multiple tasks into a single action task and make it highly reusable for when you or colleagues need to perform the same API call again in the future. But what about more complex JSON responses, such as those containing an array or multiple deep levels of data? Well, of course, Resolve has you covered here, right? You can use loops to iterate through that data and extract what you need, or you can do it with just another line of code in the action task. To wrap up this video, I've noted down some of the capabilities of our API wizard. Resolve Actions Pro supports all the typical HTTP verbs or methods. Authentication and cookie handling can be automatically handled, and custom headers, params, query strings can be added too. For posting data, again, all the typical data types are supported, as well as plain text and raw data. Finally, you can create a single reusable action task that makes the API call, processes the response, and extracts all of the required data. And this makes it all so easy. Thank you for watching this how-to video on making RESTful API calls in Resolve Actions Pro, the intelligent IT automation and service orchestration platform from Resolve.